How to get free gifts on Temu. What is up, guys? In this video, it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to share with you how you can get one free gift on Temu. All you need to do is click the link that I've got at the top of the description down below, and that will allow you to claim a completely free, random free item. So in my case, I've got this cooling arm sleeve for UV protection. Instead of it being $14.99, I can get this right now for $0. And these are updated all of the time. So when you click that link, you will get a different free gift. It is random. They're updated all the time so that you can get something completely for free. Now, if you have the Temu app, this will just go ahead and straight go to the app for you. If you're on a desktop like I am, it'll take you to the website, and the only thing you need to do to claim this free gift is to download and scan this QR code so that you can go to the Temu app and you can get your completely free gift. Again, all you have to do is use the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comment. Using that link, you will get one completely free gift. And again, if you're on desktop, scan the QR code. And if you're on your mobile already on the Temu app, then you can just go straight there and it will give you your free gift. Let me know in the comment section down below what free gift you got so that we can see who got the most valuable free gift. Let's see if you can get one that's worth more than $14.99.